Hello friends, a very good morning to everybody. In today's video we are going to see rainy days garden tips. So these tips will be very useful to your garden during this rainy season. You can easily maintain your garden. So come, let's go into the video. So tip number 1 we are going to see is about the most important thing, drainage holes. So there will be small holes like this in grow bag and every pot at the bottom and all four sides. They are giving this drainage hole because it moves out the excess water out. So for example, inside this grow bag, if water is stagnating, means the excess water will easily come out and small few water will be absorbed by the sand or soil. So for that only they are giving this drainage hole. So sometimes this drainage hole may get blocked due to sand or small stones. You can just clear it by taking an unwanted toothpick or pen, and you can just pierce it inside and do like this left and right. The block will be cleared. So tip number 2 we are going to see is about the most important thing, support to our plants. So during this rainy season there will be a lot of winds. So sometimes even cyclones will also form and it will cause a great damage in your garden. So to prevent our garden from damage, you can do like this. For tall tree variety plants and big plants and all, you can just take a rope or anything like this and tie two plant. So this plant will give support to this plant. If this move like this, it will give support, and if this move like this, it will give support. So this will prevent plant damage due to winds in your garden. You can also try this method for sugarcane. So I also tied a small rope, but it's not tight. So again I will tie, and if you see, one small sugarcane has tilted due to the rain and heavy winds. No problem, we can take it and tie it. Tip number 3 we are going to see is about water stagnating. You should not allow water to stagnate in your garden like this. Actually the pipe is blocked due to the sand or something. You can just clear it by taking any cleaning tools and just rub that area. The sand will go off and the water will move smoothly out. So tip number 4 we are going to see is about most important thing, support to climber plant and creeper plant. So due to the winds, these creeper and climber plants will easily get damaged and they may also break down. So to give support to them, you can just tie them to the nearby walls or nearby strong and stiff plant which will not fall uh, due to rain or winds. So tip number 5 we are going to see is about you can just keep your fruit plants under a safe area like this, because for example if I keep it in the middle pot like that there and all, what will happen means due to rain and heavy wind and all, this guava fruit will easily get damaged and fall down. So it will be a waste for me, damage. Like this only I unfortunately kept my pomegranate plant here. Every day it's giving flower. The flower all are falling down and getting wasted. So soon I will take it outside and keep it in a safe place. So tip number 6 we are going to see is about pot damage. So if you see, actually this is a cement pot. What happened means due to the rain the water went inside and the cement got really very damaged and it broke. Not only cement, the slab also is a slab. So this broke and fell down. That side also fell down and it broke into pieces. So I transplanted my sweet lime here. So soon I will take it and keep it in a safe place, because the sweet lime fruits are really very tiny and very sensitive. Sometimes when I keep hand itself, they are falling down. So due to that rain and heavy wind and all, they will not sustain. So like this you can do. So next thing we are going to see is about trimming. You can just trim your plant, that is cut off some stems and leaf during this rainy or winter season, because in my garden during that Manda cyclone and all, one pot fell down and lot of place went muddy, and that plant also came out from the soil itself due to the heavy wind. So you can just trim your plants. When you trim your plant, the damage will be less, because for example, if this area is very bushy, no, if heavy winds come, it will easily get damaged. So you can just cut off small stems and leaf which goes very height. I'm not telling for this tree variety, because we have gave support to this plant alone, because it will not only give damage, the area will also get dirty. This leaf will fall down and mud will fall down. So like that. And not only that, if you trim also, no problem. It will soon grow again easily, because as there is moisture, the plants will grow very easily soon. And next thing we are going to see is one major relief for gardener is, during this rainy season, no need to water your plant at all, because it rains all day and the soil will be moisture. And if it is not raining one day also, if it is giving one day gap also, no problem, because yesterday's moisture will be in the soil there itself. So these are all the major tips which you should follow during this rainy season. Thanks friends, bye, have a nice day.
Organic gardening.
Hello friends, now we are going to see another important tip. So please don't allow the water to stagnate in your pots, because it will spread many diseases. Mosquitoes will also spread easily. So if the pipe is blocked and all, you can just easily clear it. Now I will show you. In pots you can just clear the drainage holes.
That leaves the water will go free.
So now I will show you how to clear that pipe block.
The water can grow.
So you can just take the leaf or sand or mud. Now we are going to see how to clear water stagnating in grow bag. This is a very easy method. It will give 100% success. Thanks friends, bye, have a nice day, meet you all in the next video.